How we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls, just casually strolling in to 3-Minute Thursday, and today's move is a tricky one, is a bump sequence, and I haven't done it for a long time, and I'm gonna try and get it for you first go. Here we go. I'm excited because I nailed it first time for myself. As you can see, it is a bump sequence, and it is a tricky one, but this is how we do it. You're gonna first learn how to do the forearm bump, then you're gonna learn how to do the reverse forearm bump, and then you're going to learn how to do the elbow bump. And you're going to learn how to do them exactly how I just showed you right there. First, you're going to do the bump like this, okay? Hold it in position and try the bump. Then you're going to do the bump like this. Try and get it where it needs to be. You're taking your hand, putting it back and hitting it like so. And then you want to do the elbow bump, okay? Then you want to try and put 2 and 2 together. Now that makes 4, and there's only 3 bumps, but let me explain. You're going to do reverse and forearm, all right? Reverse, forearm. Boom, boom, okay? Boom, boom. Try without the bottle. Boom, boom. You'll be surprised how easy you hopefully you'll get it. Then you're going to put the other 2 and 2 together. Reverse, elbow. Bit more difficult. You need a bigger bump with the reverse. You need a bigger bump with the reverse. Bigger bump with the reverse. Okay? So once you start to learn how to nail the 2 and the 2, then you can go to throwing and trying. Whoops. Yes. It's a super satisfying move. It's a super satisfying move to learn how to do. And once you get it, you won't want to stop doing it. So really practice it, try it out. I mean, it's, oh yes. You may find yourself struggling with the last part sometimes like that. But another top tip is remember to breathe. Don't hold your breath. I got told that many years ago when I was practicing. A guy that did a lot of weights, he was like, Tom, breathe while you're practicing, because I was tensing up when doing the moves. But if you learn to, I've just messed it right. If you learn to breathe, yes, the moves can become a lot easier to perform. But that is it. That is the triple bump, which we used to see not Nicholas and John, we used to see Christian Delpesh do a lot, but Mr. Neil Garner claimed that he did that move first. But now you know how to do it, and that's the end of this week's 3-Minute Thursday. Until next week, see you then.